Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to add logo to header. So guys, every single thing on our website in the editor is a certain object, so you can of course interact with every single part of your website, and in our case, as you can see, the header is going to be here. Also, as you can see, it's named as header, so you can pretty much add any logo or image that you wish to your header in a very simple way. So how to do this? You just click on the plus, which is add elements. After that you choose image, and you can either upload and import, or you can just choose, for example, something from your library in here on Wix. Also you can, as you can see, create a custom logo, or just choose this little template. And in here, for example, you can just drag it onto here like this, place it, but also make sure that your text is on top of it, right? So we will have to either place the text on top, or we will need to change the text so that it's, maybe in a different place or something. You don't want your text to be over the logo, right? So yeah, pretty much, as you can see, this is incredibly simple. So once again, just plus, add elements, image, and you can also, of course, if you're maybe making logos, or did make a logo in, say, Adobe Photoshop, and you want to use it here, just go to upload, and then just press on this upload images in here, and then just choose the image from your computer, as you can see, and upload it here. And after that, you will be able to easily choose it, and after that, easily drag it into any place on your store easily. And yeah, pretty much you can also adjust it. You can make it bigger, wider, longer, whatever you want. So this is how it's done. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.